Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can link an entire module in Divi WordPress website. So here you can see this is my demo website. Let me log in, and after that now let's enable Divi Builder. Okay, here you can see page builder is loading. After that now we can add a new section. Now let's click here on the plus icon. After that let's add a new row. Let's add a regular section. Then we can select 2-column row. After that now add blurb. Okay, after that here you can see title as well as text. Okay, now here we can add image. For example, I can add this one as a sample image. After that here we can add some text. For example, enable website design. And after that now here you can see this is text. Now let's go to design tab. After that now we can align this text in the center. Now if you want to link this module, just click here in the link, and here you can see there is option for the only title link. So this is the title, and if you want to add module link, just you can add here. For example, I can copy this link and add in the module. Then click here yes. Now here you can see we have linked entire module. Just click on the 3 dots and save it. Now let's refresh the page, scroll down, and here you can see even on the blank space module is clickable. So in this way you can link an entire module in your Divi WordPress website.